generation divide, 3M has provided PEP. PEP, PEP, Practical English Program. A program arranged for self-study, served by using audio-visual system. Easy to study, faster than anything else. A program from beginner until to four, the most complete program for the whole family. It's already been used in Indonesia, everyone satisfied with PEP. Have you already had PEP? Let us join before it's too late. Become a part of 3M's big family. Another self-study program is also available. We are ready to serve all of you with pleasure. You are welcome to join us. You are welcome to join us.
Practical English Grammar, pelajaran tata bahasa Inggris praktis. Buku 2, cara membuat kalimat. Multimedia Metropolitan. Petunjuk menggunakan bentuk kata kerja. Petunjuk 1. Infinitif dengan to dipakai antara lain dengan kata want, like, would like, have, going to, ought, what, dan lain-lain. Petunjuk 2. Infinitif tanpa to dipakai antara lain dengan kata do, can, must, may, shall, will, should, had better, dare, dan lain-lain. Petunjuk 3. Imperatif digunakan untuk membentuk kalimat perintah dan larangan. Petunjuk 4. Gerund dipakai sebagai subjek dan objek untuk kalimat larangan setelah kata depan, setelah no use, dan mind. Petunjuk 5. Simple present tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan kebiasaan, kebenaran umum, kalimat yang memakai every, atau keterangan seperti always, usually, dan lain-lain. Untuk subjek orang ketiga tunggal seperti he, she, it, atau nama orang, maka kata kerjanya ditambah s atau es. Petunjuk 6. Simple past tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan suatu kejadian yang terjadi di masa lampau. Kata kerja yang dipakai adalah bentuk kedua untuk yang beraturan ditambah d atau ed, sedang yang tidak beraturan lihat daftar kata kerja di kamus. Petunjuk 7. Present continuous tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang sedang terjadi dengan memakai is, am, atau are, ditambah verb bentuk ing. Petunjuk 8. Past continuous tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan suatu kejadian yang sedang berlangsung di masa lampau dengan memakai was atau were, ditambah verb bentuk ing. Petunjuk 9, present perfect tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan kejadian yang baru saja berakhir atau masih berlangsung pada saat present atau dibicarakan. Have atau has ditambah verb bentuk ketiga. Petunjuk 10, past perfect tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan kejadian yang terjadi sebelum dibicarakan di masa lampau. Had ditambah verb bentuk ketiga. Petunjuk 11, present perfect continuous tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan kejadian dari masa yang sudah lewat, berlangsung sampai sekarang, dan berakhir pada masa yang tidak tertentu. Has atau have ditambah been ditambah verb bentuk ing. Petunjuk 12, past perfect continuous tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan kejadian yang sedang terjadi sebelum kejadian yang lain di masa yang lampau. Had ditambah been ditambah verb bentuk ing. Petunjuk 13, future tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan kejadian yang akan terjadi. Shall atau will ditambah verb bentuk pertama. Petunjuk 14, future continuous tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan kejadian yang akan sedang terjadi di masa yang akan datang. Will ditambah be ditambah verb bentuk ing. Petunjuk 15, future perfect tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan kejadian yang akan telah terjadi di masa yang akan datang. Will ditambah have ditambah verb bentuk ketiga. Petunjuk 16, future perfect continuous tense dipakai untuk menunjukkan kejadian yang telah akan sedang terjadi di masa yang akan datang. Will ditambah have ditambah been ditambah verb bentuk ing.
Cara membuat kalimat. Di dalam membuat kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris, kita harus selalu berpegangan kepada bentuk-bentuk kata kerja. Kata kerja yang kita pakai di dalam suatu kalimat mempunyai peranan yang penting di dalam menentukan maksud dan tujuan yang ingin kita sampaikan kepada lawan bicara kita. Pemakaian kata kerja yang salah atau penempatan tense yang kurang tepat serta susunan kalimat yang tidak sempurna akan menimbulkan salah pengertian antara orang-orang yang sedang bicara. Untuk itulah kita mempelajari cara membentuk kalimat yang baik di dalam bahasa Inggris. Di dalam buku ini, kita akan mempelajari cara membuat kalimat mulai dari infinitive dengan tanpa to, imperative, gerund, dan tenses lainnya. Satu, Romawi. Cara membuat kalimat dengan kata mencuci. To wash. Wash, washed, washed, washing. 1. Memakai infinitive dengan to. To wash. Lihat petunjuk pertama. Saya ingin mencuci tangan saya.
I want to wash my hands. I want to wash my hands.
Dia perempuan akan mencuci pakaian.
She is going to wash clothes. She is going to wash clothes.
Mereka harus mencuci muka.
They have to wash their faces. They have to wash their faces.
2. Memakai infinitive wash. Lihat petunjuk 2. Bolehkah saya cuci tangan?
May I wash my hands? May I wash my hands?
Dia perempuan akan mencuci piring.
She will wash the plate. She will wash the plate.
Mereka tidak mencuci mobil.
They don't wash the car. They don't wash the car.
3. Memakai infinitive wash untuk kalimat imperatif. Lihat petunjuk 3. Cuci tanganmu.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Mari cuci tangan.
Let's wash our hands. Let's wash our hands.
Jangan cuci tanganmu.
Don't wash your hands. Don't wash your hands.
4. Memakai gerund, washing, lihat petunjuk 4. Mencuci tangan itu penting.
Washing hands is important. Washing hands is important.
Mari berhenti mencuci.
Let's stop washing. Let's stop washing.
Saya suka mencuci pakaian.
I like washing clothes. I like washing clothes.
5. Memakai infinitive wash untuk kalimat present tense, lihat petunjuk 5. Dia perempuan biasa mencuci pakaiannya.
She washes her clothes. She washes her clothes.
Apakah kamu biasa cuci mobil?
Do you wash a car? Do you wash a car?
Tidak.
No. No.
Saya tidak biasa cuci mobil.
I don't wash a car. I don't wash a car.
Kamu tidak mencuci mukamu.
You don't wash your face. You don't wash your face.
Apakah dia, laki-laki, mencuci tangannya?
Does he wash his hands? Does he wash his hands?
Ya, dia mencucinya.
Yes, he does. Yes, he does.
Dari contoh-contoh di atas, dapat kita lihat bahwa untuk subjek she dan he, does merupakan kata bantunya. Untuk I, you, we, dan they, kita pakai do. 6. Dengan memakai simple past tense, washed. Lihat petunjuk 6. Kemarin, dia mencuci pakaian.
She washed clothes. She washed clothes.
Hari Minggu yang lalu, mereka mencuci mobil.
They washed a car last Sunday. They washed a car last Sunday.
2 hari yang lalu, kami mencuci selimut.
2 days ago, we washed blanket. 2 days ago, we washed blanket.
7. Memakai present continuous tense, is, am, dan are, ditambah washing, lihat petunjuk 7. Saya sedang mencuci.
I am washing. I am washing.
Dia perempuan sedang mencuci pakaian.
She is washing clothes. She is washing clothes.
Mereka sedang mencuci mobil.
They are washing a car. They are washing a car.
Saya tidak sedang mencuci tangan.
I am not washing hands. I am not washing hands.
Apakah kamu sedang mencuci?
Are you washing? Are you washing?
Tidak, saya tidak sedang mencuci.
No, I am not. No, I am not.
Apakah mereka sedang mencuci mobil?
Are they washing a car? Are they washing a car?
Ya, mereka sedang mencuci mobil.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Delapan. Memakai past continuous tense, was dan were ditambah washing. Lihat petunjuk 8. Mereka tadi sedang mencuci mobil.
They were washing a car. They were washing a car.
Saya tadi sedang mencuci tangan.
I was washing hands. I was washing hands.
Dia perempuan tadi sedang cuci piring.
She was washing plates. She was washing plates.
Apakah kamu tadi sedang cuci muka?
Were you washing face? Were you washing face?
9. Dengan memakai present perfect tense, have atau has ditambah washed. Lihat petunjuk 9. Saya sudah mencuci tangan.
I have washed my hands. I have washed my hands.
Mereka telah mencuci mobil.
They have washed the car. They have washed the car.
Dia perempuan sudah mencuci piring.
She has washed the plates. She has washed the plates.
Siapa yang telah mencuci selimut?
Who has washed the blanket? Who has washed the blanket?
Apakah kamu telah mencuci tangan?
Have you washed your hands? Have you washed your hands?
10. Dengan memakai past perfect tense, had ditambah washed. Lihat petunjuk 10. Dia, perempuan, telah mencuci pakaiannya sebelum kami sampai di rumah.
She had washed her clothes before we arrived at home. She had washed her clothes before we arrived at home.
Mereka telah mencuci tangan mereka sebelum mereka makan.
They had washed their hands before they ate. They had washed their hands before they ate.
Kami telah mencuci muka kami sebelum kami sarapan.
We had washed our faces before we got breakfast. We had washed our faces before we got breakfast.
11. Memakai present perfect continuous tense. Have atau has ditambah been ditambah washing. Lihat petunjuk 11. Sudah 1 jam mereka cuci mobil.
They have been washing the car for 1 hour. They have been washing the car for 1 hour.
Sudah 5 menit saya mencuci piring.
I have been washing the plates for 5 minutes. I have been washing the plates for 5 minutes.
Sudah 2 jam dia perempuan mencuci pakaian.
She has been washing clothes for 2 hours. She has been washing clothes for 2 hours.
12. Dengan memakai past perfect continuous tense. Had tambah been tambah washing. Lihat petunjuk 12. Mereka telah sedang mencuci pakaian mereka sebelum mereka makan.
They had been washing their clothes before they ate. They had been washing their clothes before they ate.
Kami telah sedang mencuci mobil sebelum mereka tiba.
We had been washing a car before they arrived. We had been washing a car before they arrived.
13. Dengan memakai future tense, will atau be going to tambah was. Lihat petunjuk 13. Saya akan mencuci tangan saya.
I will wash my hands. I will wash my hands.
Mereka akan mencuci mobil.
They are going to wash the car. They are going to wash the car.
Kami akan mencuci baju.
We will wash the clothes. We will wash the clothes.
Dia perempuan akan mencuci mukanya.
She is going to wash her face. She is going to wash her face.
14. Dengan memakai future continuous tense, will ditambah be tambah washing. Lihat petunjuk 14. Mereka akan sedang mencuci pakaian selama 2 jam.
They will be washing clothes for 2 hours. They will be washing clothes for 2 hours.
Clara akan sedang mencuci piring selama 10 menit.
Clara will be washing plates for 10 minutes. Clara will be washing plates for 10 minutes.
Saya akan sedang mencuci mobil selama 1 jam.
I will be washing a car for 1 hour. I will be washing a car for 1 hour.
15. Dengan memakai future perfect tense, will tambah have tambah washed. Lihat petunjuk 15. Mereka akan telah mencuci mobil.
They will have washed the car. They will have washed the car.
Saya akan telah mencuci tangan.
I will have washed my hands. I will have washed my hands.
Kita akan telah mencuci pakaian.
We will have washed the clothes. We will have washed the clothes.
Kamu akan telah mencuci selimutmu.
You will have washed your blanket. You will have washed your blanket.
16. Dengan memakai future perfect continuous tense, will tambah have tambah been tambah washing. Lihat petunjuk 16. Saya akan telah sedang mencuci pakaian saya.
I will have been washing my clothes. I will have been washing my clothes.
Mereka akan telah sedang mencuci mobil.
They will have been washing the car. They will have been washing the car.
Kamu akan telah sedang mencuci wajahmu.
You will have been washing your face. You will have been washing your face. Dua Romawi. Cara membuat kalimat dengan kata belajar. To study, study, studied, studied, studying. 1. Memakai infinitif dengan to study. Lihat petunjuk 1. Saya ingin belajar.
I want to study. I want to study.
Mereka harus belajar.
They have to study. They have to study.
Kami akan belajar.
We are going to study. We are going to study.
Apakah kamu ingin belajar?
Do you want to study? Do you want to study?
Dia suka belajar bahasa Inggris.
She likes to study English. She likes to study English.
2. Memakai infinitif study. Lihat petunjuk 2. Mari belajar bahasa Inggris.
Let's study English. Let's study English.
Bolehkah saya belajar sekarang?
May I study now? May I study now?
Dia laki-laki tidak boleh belajar.
He may not study. He may not study.
Maukah kamu belajar dengan saya?
Will you study with me? Will you study with me?
Kamu lebih baik belajar.
You had better study. You had better study.
3. Memakai infinitif study untuk kalimat imperatif. Lihat petunjuk 3. Belajarlah.
Study. Study.
Jangan belajar.
Don't study. Don't study.
Silakan belajar.
Please study. Please study.
4. Memakai gerund studying. Lihat petunjuk 4. Belajar bahasa Inggris itu penting.
Studying English is important. Studying English is important.
Dia perempuan suka belajar bahasa Inggris.
She likes studying English. She likes studying English.
Belajar bahasa Inggris tidak susah.
Studying English is not difficult. Studying English is not difficult.
Mari berhenti belajar.
Let's stop studying. Let's stop studying.
5. Memakai infinitif study untuk kalimat present tense. Lihat petunjuk 5. Dia perempuan biasa belajar bahasa Inggris.
She studies English. She studies English.
Saya tidak biasa belajar sendiri.
I don't study by myself. I don't study by myself.
Mereka biasa belajar bersama.
They study together. They study together.
Apakah kamu biasa belajar malam hari?
Do you study in the evening? Do you study in the evening?
Tidak, saya tidak biasa.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Apakah mereka belajar bahasa Inggris?
Do they study English? Do they study English?
Ya, mereka belajar bahasa Inggris.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
Kami tidak biasa belajar bersama.
We don't study together. We don't study together.
Mereka tidak biasa belajar bahasa Cina.
They don't study Chinese. They don't study Chinese.
6. Memakai past tense studied. Lihat petunjuk 6. Dia perempuan belajar bahasa Inggris kemarin.
She studied English yesterday. She studied English yesterday.
Apakah kamu belajar tadi malam?
Did you study last night? Did you study last night?
Ya, saya belajar.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Mereka tidak belajar minggu lalu.
They didn't study last week. They didn't study last week.
Kami belajar bahasa Inggris tahun lalu.
We studied English last year. We studied English last year.
Apakah John tidak belajar kemarin?
Didn't John study yesterday? Didn't John study yesterday?
7. Memakai present continuous tense is, am, dan are tambah studying. Lihat petunjuk 7. Saya sedang belajar.
I am studying. I am studying.
Mereka sedang belajar.
They are studying. They are studying.
Dia laki-laki sedang belajar.
He is studying. He is studying.
Apakah kamu sedang belajar?
Are you studying? Are you studying?
Tidak, saya tidak sedang belajar.
No, I am not studying. No, I am not studying.
Apakah dia perempuan sedang belajar?
Is she studying? Is she studying?
Tidak, dia tidak sedang belajar.
No, she is not studying. No, she is not studying.
8. Memakai past continuous tense, was atau were, tambah studying. Lihat petunjuk 8. Apakah tadi kamu sedang belajar?
Were you studying? Were you studying?
Ya, saya tadi sedang belajar.
Yes, I was studying. Yes, I was studying.
Mereka tidak sedang belajar tadi.
They were not studying. They were not studying.
Dia perempuan tadi sedang belajar.
She was studying. She was studying.
Apakah John sedang belajar tadi?
Was John studying? Was John studying?
Tidak, John tidak sedang belajar tadi.
No, John was not studying. No, John was not studying.
9. Dengan memakai present perfect tense, have atau has, tambah studied. Lihat petunjuk 9. Kate sudah belajar.
Kate has studied. Kate has studied.
Mereka belum belajar.
They have not studied. They have not studied.
Apakah kamu sudah belajar?
Have you studied? Have you studied?
Ya, saya sudah belajar.
Yes, I have studied. Yes, I have studied.
Kami sudah belajar.
We have studied. We have studied.
John belum belajar.
John has not studied. John has not studied.
10. Dengan memakai past perfect tense, had tambah studied, lihat petunjuk 10. Dia laki-laki telah belajar sebelum kami datang.
He had studied before we came. He had studied before we came.
Setelah dia belajar, dia menonton TV.
After he had studied, he watched TV. After he had studied, he watched TV.
Mereka telah belajar di rumah sebelum ujian dimulai.
They had studied at home before the examination started. They had studied at home before the examination started.
11. Memakai present perfect continuous tense. Have atau has tambah been tambah studying. Lihat petunjuk 11. Sudah 1 jam mereka belajar.
They have been studying for 1 hour. They have been studying for 1 hour.
Sudah 10 menit saya belajar.
I have been studying for 10 minutes. I have been studying for 10 minutes.
Sudah sebulan kami belajar bahasa Inggris.
We have been studying English for 1 month. We have been studying English for 1 month.
Sudah 2 jam dia laki-laki belajar.
He has been studying for 2 hours. He has been studying for 2 hours.
12. Past perfect continuous tense. Had tambah been tambah studying. Lihat petunjuk 12. Mereka telah sedang belajar sebelum kami datang.
They had been studying before we came. They had been studying before we came.
Kami telah sedang belajar bahasa Inggris sebelum kamu pergi.
We had been studying English before you left. We had been studying English before you left.
13. Dengan memakai future tense, will atau be going to, tambah study. Lihat petunjuk 13. Mereka akan belajar.
They are going to study. They are going to study.
Kami akan belajar bahasa Inggris.
We will study English. We will study English.
Apakah mereka akan belajar?
Will they study? Will they study?
Dia perempuan akan belajar kesenian.
She is going to study art. She is going to study art.
Saya akan belajar sungguh-sungguh.
I will study seriously. I will study seriously.
14. Future continuous tense, will tambah be tambah studying. Lihat petunjuk 14. Saya akan sedang belajar selama 1 jam.
I will be studying for 1 hour. I will be studying for 1 hour.
John akan sedang belajar biologi selama 10 menit.
John will be studying biology for 10 minutes. John will be studying biology for 10 minutes.
Kami akan sedang belajar bersama selama 2 jam.
We will be studying together for 2 hours. We will be studying together for 2 hours.
15. Dengan memakai future perfect tense, will tambah have tambah studied. Lihat petunjuk 15. Saya akan telah belajar.
I will have studied. I will have studied.
Clara akan telah belajar sejarah.
Clara will have studied history. Clara will have studied history.
Apakah mereka akan telah belajar?
Will they have studied? Will they have studied?
Kita tidak akan telah belajar.
We will not have studied. We will not have studied.
16. Dengan memakai future perfect continuous tense, will tambah have tambah been tambah studying. Lihat petunjuk 16. Kami akan telah sedang belajar.
We will have been studying. We will have been studying.
John akan telah sedang belajar musik.
John will have been studying music. John will have been studying music.
Mereka akan telah sedang belajar bersama.
They will have been studying together. They will have been studying together.
Apakah kamu akan telah sedang belajar bahasa Inggris?
Will you have been studying English? Will you have been studying English? Romawi. Cara membuat kalimat dengan memakai menonton. To watch. 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 Watching. 1. Memakai infinitif dengan to. To watch. Lihat petunjuk 1. Saya ingin menonton TV.
I want to watch TV. I want to watch TV.
Mary akan menonton TV.
Mary is going to watch TV. Mary is going to watch TV.
Mereka suka menonton TV.
They like to watch TV. They like to watch TV.
Apakah kamu ingin menonton TV?
Do you want to watch TV? Do you want to watch TV?
Apakah dia laki-laki harus menonton TV?
Does he have to watch TV? Does he have to watch TV?
2. Memakai infinitive watch. Lihat petunjuk 2. Bolehkah saya nonton TV?
May I watch TV? May I watch TV?
Kamu lebih baik nonton TV.
You had better watch TV. You had better watch TV.
Mereka seharusnya tidak nonton TV.
They should not watch TV. They should not watch TV.
John akan nonton TV.
John will watch TV. John will watch TV.
3. Memakai infinitive watch untuk kalimat imperatif. Lihat petunjuk 3. Lihat ini.
Watch this. Watch this.
Silakan lihat ini.
Please watch this. Please watch this.
Jangan tonton itu.
Don't watch it. Don't watch it.
4. Memakai gerund watching. Lihat petunjuk 4. Banyak nonton TV tidak baik.
Watching TV a lot is not good. Watching TV a lot is not good.
Henry suka nonton TV.
Henry likes watching TV. Henry likes watching TV.
Mari berhenti nonton TV.
Let's stop watching TV. Let's stop watching TV.
Menonton dunia dalam berita penting.
Watching world news is important. Watching world news is important.
Mereka telah selesai menonton.
They have finished watching. They have finished watching.
5. Memakai infinitive watch untuk kalimat present tense. Lihat petunjuk 5. Kami biasa nonton TV.
We watch TV. We watch TV.
Mary tidak biasa nonton TV.
Mary does not watch TV. Mary does not watch TV.
Apakah kamu biasa nonton TV?
Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV?
Ya, saya biasa.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Mereka kadang-kadang nonton TV.
They sometimes watch TV. They sometimes watch TV.
Apakah John sering nonton TV?
Does John often watch TV? Does John often watch TV?
Tidak, dia tidak sering.
No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't.
Kami nonton TV setiap sore.
We watch TV every afternoon. We watch TV every afternoon.
6. Dengan memakai simple past tense, watch, lihat petunjuk 6. Kami menonton pertandingan bola tadi malam.
We watched football game last night. We watched football game last night.
Kemarin, John menonton film kartun.
John watched cartoon yesterday. John watched cartoon yesterday.
Apakah kamu menonton TV 2 hari yang lalu?
Did you watch TV 2 days ago? Did you watch TV 2 days ago?
Tidak, saya tidak menonton TV.
No, I didn't watch TV. No, I didn't watch TV.
7. Memakai present continuous tense. Is, am, dan are ditambah watching. Lihat petunjuk 7. Mereka sedang menonton TV.
They are watching TV. They are watching TV.
Susi tidak sedang menonton TV.
Susie is not watching TV. Susie is not watching TV.
Apakah kamu sedang menonton TV?
Are you watching TV? Are you watching TV?
Ya, saya sedang menonton TV.
Yes, I am watching TV. Yes, I am watching TV.
Apakah dia laki-laki sedang menonton TV?
Is he watching TV? Is he watching TV?
Tidak, dia tidak sedang menonton TV.
No, he is not watching TV. No, he is not watching TV.
Kami sedang menonton dunia dalam berita.
We are watching world news. We are watching world news.
8. Memakai past continuous tense. Was atau were tambah watching. Lihat petunjuk 8. Mereka tadi sedang menonton TV.
They were watching TV. They were watching TV.
Apakah Hari tadi sedang menonton TV?
Was Harry watching TV? Was Harry watching TV?
Tidak. Dia tidak sedang menonton TV tadi.
No, he was not watching TV. No, he was not watching TV.
Saya tadi sedang menonton bola.
I was watching football. I was watching football.
Apakah kamu tadi sedang nonton acara musik?
Were you watching music program? Were you watching music program?
Ya, saya tadi sedang menonton acara musik.
Yes, I was watching music program. Yes, I was watching music program.
Sembilan. Memakai present perfect tense. Have atau has ditambah watch. Lihat petunjuk 9. Saya sudah menonton TV.
I have watched TV. I have watched TV.
Mereka sudah menonton TV.
They have watched TV. They have watched TV.
Kami belum menonton TV.
We haven't watched TV. We haven't watched TV.
Apakah kamu sudah menonton TV?
Have you watched TV? Have you watched TV?
Tidak, saya belum nonton TV.
No, I haven't watched TV. No, I haven't watched TV.
10. Dengan memakai past perfect tense, have tambah watch Lihat petunjuk 10. Mereka telah menonton TV sebelum kami datang.
They had watched TV before we came. They had watched TV before we came.
Setelah kami menonton TV, kami makan bersama.
After we had watched TV, we ate together. After we had watched TV, we ate together.
Dia laki-laki telah menonton acara musik ketika seseorang mengetuk pintu.
He had watched music program when someone knocked the door. He had watched music program when someone knocked the door.
11. Memakai present perfect continuous tense. Have atau has tambah been tambah watching. Lihat petunjuk 11. Sudah 1 jam saya menonton TV.
I have been watching TV for 1 hour. I have been watching TV for 1 hour.
Sudahkah mereka menonton TV selama 2 jam?
Have they been watching TV for 2 hours? Have they been watching TV for 2 hours?
Sudah 10 menit kami menonton.
We have been watching for 10 minutes. We have been watching for 10 minutes.
Dia laki-laki sudah setengah jam menonton acara musik.
He has been watching music program for half an hour. He has been watching music program for half an hour.
12. Dengan memakai past perfect continuous tense, had tambah been tambah watching. Lihat petunjuk 12. Kami telah sedang menonton TV sebelum mereka pergi.
We had been watching TV before they left. We had been watching TV before they left.
John telah sedang menonton acara musik sebelum kami datang.
John had been watching music program before we came. John had been watching music program before we came.
13. Dengan memakai future tense, will atau be going to ditambah watch. Lihat petunjuk 13. Kami akan menonton TV.
We are going to watch TV. We are going to watch TV.
Saya akan menonton bola di TV.
I will watch football on TV. I will watch football on TV.
Apakah kamu akan menonton film?
Are you going to watch the film? Are you going to watch the film?
Kami tidak akan menonton film.
We won't watch the film. We won't watch the film.
14. Dengan memakai future continuous tense, will tambah be tambah watching. Lihat petunjuk 14. Saya akan sedang menonton kartun selama 10 menit.
I will be watching cartoon for 10 minutes. I will be watching cartoon for 10 minutes.
Mereka akan sedang menonton bola selama 1 jam.
They will be watching football for 1 hour. They will be watching football for 1 hour.
Clara akan sedang menonton acara kuis keluarga.
Clara will be watching family quiz. Clara will be watching family quiz.
15. Dengan memakai future perfect tense, will tambah have tambah watch. Lihat petunjuk 15. Saya akan telah nonton TV.
I will have watched TV. I will have watched TV.
Mereka akan telah menonton film seri.
They will have watched serial film. They will have watched serial film.
Apakah mereka akan telah menonton bola?
Will they have watched the football game? Will they have watched the football game?
Kami tidak akan telah menonton.
We won't have watched. We won't have watched.
16. Dengan memakai future perfect continuous tense, Will tambah have tambah been tambah watching. Lihat petunjuk 16. Kami akan telah sedang menonton.
We will have been watching. We will have been watching.
Mereka akan telah sedang menonton pertandingan bola di TV.
They will have been watching the football game on TV. They will have been watching the football game on TV.
Clara akan telah sedang menonton acara musik.
Clara will have been watching music program. Clara will have been watching music program. Empat, Romawi. Cara membuat kalimat dengan kata mengirim. To send, send, sent, sent, sending. 1. Memakai infinitif dengan to. To send. Lihat petunjuk 1. Saya ingin mengirim surat.
I want to send a letter. I want to send a letter.
Mereka akan mengirim surat.
They are going to send letters. They are going to send letters.
Apakah mereka harus mengirim surat?
Do they have to send letters? Do they have to send letters?
Dia laki-laki suka mengirim surat.
He likes to send a letter. He likes to send a letter.
2. Memakai infinitif send. Lihat petunjuk 2. Kami akan mengirim surat ini.
We will send this letter. We will send this letter.
Bolehkah saya mengirim surat ini?
May I send this letter? May I send this letter?
Kamu dapat mengirim surat.
You can send a letter. You can send a letter.
Dia perempuan lebih baik mengirim surat.
She had better send a letter. She had better send a letter.
Akankah mereka mengirim surat?
Will they send a letter? Will they send a letter?
3. Memakai infinitif send untuk kalimat imperatif. Lihat petunjuk 3. Kirim ini.
Send this. Send this.
Silakan kirim ini.
Please send this. Please send this.
Jangan kirim ini.
Don't send this. Don't send this.
4. Memakai gerund sending. Lihat petunjuk 4. Saya suka mengirim surat.
I like sending letters. I like sending letters.
Mengirim surat itu penting.
Sending letter is important. Sending a letter is important.
Kamu perlu mengirim surat.
You need sending a letter. You need sending a letter.
Tidak ada gunanya mengirim surat.
It is no use sending letters. It is no use sending letters.
5. Memakai infinitif send untuk kalimat present tense. Lihat petunjuk 5. Mereka biasa mengirim surat.
They send letters. They send letters.
Apakah dia laki-laki biasa mengirim surat?
Does he send a letter? Does he send a letter?
Kamu tidak biasa mengirim surat.
You don't send a letter. You don't send a letter.
Kami selalu mengirim surat.
We always send a letter. We always send a letter.
Mary jarang kirim surat.
Mary seldom sends letters. Mary seldom sends letters.
Apakah mereka sering mengirim surat?
Do they often send letters? Do they often send letters?
6. Memakai simple past tense. Sent. Lihat petunjuk 6. Saya mengirim surat 2 hari yang lalu.
I sent the letter 2 days ago. I sent the letter 2 days ago.
Apakah kamu mengirim surat kemarin?
Did you send letters yesterday? Did you send letters yesterday?
Ya, saya mengirim surat kemarin.
Yes, I did. I sent letters yesterday. Yes, I did. I sent letters yesterday.
Mereka tidak mengirim surat bulan yang lalu.
They did not send letters last month. They did not send letters last month.
7. Memakai present continuous tense. Is, am, dan are tambah sending. Lihat petunjuk 7. Mereka sedang mengirim surat.
They are sending letters. They are sending letters.
Apakah kamu sedang mengirim surat?
Are you sending letters? Are you sending letters?
Ya, saya sedang mengirim surat.
Yes, I am sending letters. Yes, I am sending letters.
Mary sedang mengirim surat.
Mary is sending letters. Mary is sending letters.
John dan Paul tidak sedang mengirim surat.
John and Paul are not sending a letter. John and Paul are not sending a letter.